So, ito guys yung regular na LRT nila. Parang sa Pilipinas lang. Tingnan. So, dalawa yung dumadaan na train dito papuntang Central Timor at saka papuntang Putra Heights. So, Putra Heights dapat yung sasakyan ko, kaya pinalagpas ko muna yung isa.
Attention, for safety, please stand behind the yellow line. Do not enter the track area. Should you need assistance, please contact our customer
Alam ko salitan to eh.